In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first off, open up Instagram app. Then we need to create a story first, so we can hit at that plus sign and then select some picture from camera roll. And then once I hit at that arrow icon and hit at share, the story will be shared and anyone from my follower can see it. So, how you can know that you have posted a story? You can see at your profile picture right here or at your profile page, and if it has that purple circle around your profile picture, that definitely means that you have posted a story. And then in order to remove that story, all you have to do is just tap at your profile picture to see the story, and then just hit where it says more and then hit at delete. Then just hit at delete and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.